We outside for real, for real. Don't y'all look so pretty today? This is a beautiful day. This is the day that the Lord has made. Some of y'all know the rest of it, but then a lot of y'all have no idea what I'm saying. Y'all having a good time so far? My name is Amp Harris on behalf of Indiana Black Expo. Welcome to the 52nd annual summer celebration. Give it up for Indiana Black Expo, y'all. Y'all know how many years we've been waiting to get sun like this on this day? Before I go any further, I'm gonna say this lady's name a lot tonight. Rightfully so. And I know earlier today I made her cry because I kept a secret, but we're gonna tell y'all what that secret was when I bring her up here a little bit later on. But right now, stand up for me. My big sister, I love this lady like she and I came from the same mother. If we can get the camera on this lady, I'm gonna bring her up on stage a little bit later. But I wanna introduce y'all to the new president of Indiana Black Expo, Miss Alice Watson. Give it up, y'all. She is a visionary. She's a community person. She has a kind spirit. She's about philanthropic and giving back. She's about moving the culture forward until she asked me to drive for her. She asked me to pick her up. I picked her up. She had the audacity to say, "Aren't you gonna open the door for me?" I said, "I'm an Uber driver." Uber drivers don't open the door. They just pull up, y'all get out, and then give me a tip. But she got a husband though who's an Uber driver. Brother Steve, he drives her everywhere she needs to go. And now I see why he's driving her tonight. They done came and gave her a third cocktail. It's a little too hot. Oh, you're a pro at it. She took 2 cups, one like this and the other one. I didn't tell y'all she's a borderline alcoholic, did I? But we gonna have a good time tonight. My boy is in town. As a matter of fact, I gotta shout out my young brother, Christian Keys. That was Alice's treat for summer celebration. That was her eye candy. I mean, literally, she said, "Amp, let's get him to come. He's cute." I said, "That's it? What about he's talented, he's smart, he's educated, he's from the Midwest?" She said, "Oh, that's good, but he's cute." I said, "All right, well, then we got Christian Keys to come." And then I called my other partner, Mr. Howard Hewitt. He said, I would love to come back to Indiana Black Expo. Then I said I had to call this one guy back because several years ago, it was raining during COVID. We came back and people was mad at us. And I don't understand us. Y'all get mad if we move an event versus if we cancel the event. I've never seen black people that think that lopsided. Y'all got mad because we had to move 20 minutes from here. Oh, damn, y'all ain't gonna inconvenience me like that. I'm like, it's free. Inconvenience you. Try being out there with me for 3 hours, 3 days, and a monsoon of rain. But this brother right here, I said, "Yo, I need you to do me a favor, man. These people are mad at us because we moved out to the boondocks. They mad at us because the rain started to come and they wanted to blame everybody at Indiana Black Expo. But this dude said, I'm gonna go out there for you, bro, because I love you and you got my back and I got your back and we've always been down for 20-something years. And when I talk about a man with a plethora of hit records, I need y'all to stand to y'all feet and give it up to the Rebirth. Because this brother right here, he does it all. I need y'all to stand up for real, because he ain't coming out until y'all stand up. Because we owe him this because he was willing to stand in the rain, threaten his life from being electrocuted, and he was still singing. And now we just walked down in the backstage area and he was like, man, won't he do it? I need y'all to do me a favor and give it up for my brother. I love this dude. Make some noise for Mr. L. Debarge! All right, L said, I ain't coming out here, man, because they ain't making enough noise. I'm going to take 5 steps, and then I'm going to take 10 steps backwards. He said, now damn it, Amp, I didn't fly on a red-eye flight for them people to look at me like I'm a toy or something. He said, they got to make some noise for me. We're going to do this once again. Make some noise for my brother, Mr. L. Debarge!